Hey everybody, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting video here. I have just received my package from Sunday Leather Craft. I've ordered two B6 Traveler's Notebooks from them and I'm just going to unbox these right now. So, ooh. Cool. Hold on. You know, this is the part of the video where people are like, why didn't you do this before you filmed? But I wanted this to be, you know, a very authentic unboxing. So Sunday Leather Craft is a company based in the Philippines. She's a lovely, lovely girl. And they specialize in scallop TNs and different other leather goods as well. So let's look at that. Ooh, oh, what is this? Oh, it's a little note saying, thank you for choosing Sunday Leather Craft. Hope you enjoy these leather covers for many years. Salamat, Irma. Salamat is thank you. And I just don't want to undo this because it's so pretty. Look at that. The care that goes into it. The little stamp here that says Sunday Leather Craft. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's two in here. Oh, and that's so thick. Okay. Oh, look at that black. The first is, let's wipe that off here, this all black scallop TN. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. I don't know if the video can show how beautiful and dark it is, but oh, I'm just rubbing the leather and the leather is beautiful. So this is a B6 scallop. I'm gonna see if I can clean that off here. Just a little white scratch. B6 scallop TN, and I've decided to go with like a light pink threading and then black elastics. And I've decided to go with pockets, and the pockets are sewn into the notebook, and there's a little sun there for her logo. I chose not to get reinforced spines just because I like the look of that better. For me personally, I like the look without the spine. And so far, the feel of the leather, it's actually the perfect floppiness for me. I thought it was gonna be really stiff, but I like the floppiness of it, the pliability. Can you see that? Like, it's just fantastic. And the leather itself is so soft. It's not too shiny, actually. I thought it was gonna be a lot shinier than what it is, but there's a little bit of a shine to it, but not super shiny that would throw you off. I love that. Gorgeous. And Irma worked really closely with me in terms of the sizing. I wanted it to be slightly taller to fit the mini happy planner. So I'm gonna go get the mini happy planner shortly and show you how it fits perfectly into here. The next color that I got is this new beautiful, beautiful yellow. And I think the camera picks it up a little bit lighter than what it is, but it's like this dark kind of, I wouldn't say pumpkin, but it's this gorgeous golden, kind of darker golden yellow. And I decided to go with the yellow threading and then the white elastics. And as well, the pockets again, sewn right into the cover. They're not glued on. Beautiful. Like, and it's just, there's a grain to this leather and it is slightly stiffer than the black one, but so far just feeling it and feeling how thick it is. The leather itself, like look at, if you can see here, you can see that how many pieces are sewn together and how thick this leather is. It's going to be something I'm definitely going to enjoy for years to come. This is beautiful. Again, I didn't get the reinforced spine in this one just because for simplicity's sake, I like the look of that better. And right now I'm gonna grab my mini happy planner and show you how this fits perfectly in. So here is my mini happy planner, and you can see how tall this is and how, oh, beautiful. That fits just perfectly in the pockets and will still fit my B6 inserts. Look at how much room is still left in there. See how much room is still left in there even with my happy planner. So I decided to purchase both of these with 6 elastics and the slightly wider spine to make up for the mini happy planner being in there. But I am in love, already in love. And now it's just deciding which one I want to use. So I have this one that can go really well with the Kinley's Doodles April kit, or I've been saving the February Planner Society kit because I knew this was coming. So hold on, let me grab something here. So now the big question is gonna be, the yellow or the black. Can you see both of those? Let's just back this out here a little bit without, there we go. Okay, so it's a toss-up between the February Planner Society kit or the Kinley's Doodles April kit. I honestly can't decide. You guys, leave your comments and your votes down below. And I'm also going to put this up on my Instagram stories to see what you guys think I should do for my next setup. All right, if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I've left the link to Sunday Leather Craft here. You can find her on Facebook, and I'm not sure if she has any room for her April orders, but she may be opening them up for May. And that's also one of the reasons why I like Sunday Leather Craft, because she only opens enough orders that she knows that she can fill. But also, one of the things that she does about her TNs that I love, if you close this, the elastic goes in between the two scallops there, which is adorable. And just the quality of the leather, the quality of the stitching, and the impeccable customer service, I absolutely recommend Sunday Leather Craft. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I highly recommend going to see Sunday Leather Craft for your next scallop TN purchase. All right, have a great day, everybody.